Now our next topic is stress management. So आता या सोशल हेल्थमध्ये in this lesson we have learned about various stress है ना, we have learned various stress factors. Now stress management is also a part of our life. We should manage our stress. If we failed in managing the stress, it will be harmful for our health. So we should manage our stress. So many remedies are there to manage the stress. So let's see which remedies are useful to be free from our stress. How you seen the loudly laughing citizens in morning in public gardens. In public gardens oftenly seen laughing people, isn't it? It is a remedial activity to manage the stress. So name of this newly popularized concept is laughter club. These people relieve their mental stress by laughing loudly. जोरात हसल्याने पण आपल्या ब्रेनवरचा स्ट्रेस कमी होतो. So laughter clubs are there in the morning. We can oftenly see in gardens. So various ways of expression like establishing communication with friends. आता कुठले आहे, क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड ऑन हाऊ डू यू मॅनेज युअर स्ट्रेस और हाऊ डू people can be manage their stress, है ना? So we should know. So various ways are given here. Let's see various ways of expressions like establishing communication with friends, then peer, then friends सोबत आपण बोलू शकतो, peers आपले प्रिय व्यक्ती, cousins, teachers, and more importantly parents. Noting down our feelings, expressing our feeling with near and dear ones help us to relieve the stress. आपण आपल्या जवळच्या व्यक्तींना जर आपल्या भावना सांगितल्या, आपण बोलकं झालं तर सोल्युशन निघू शकतं आणि आपला स्ट्रेस कमी होऊ शकतो. Fostering the hobbies like material collection, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli, dancing, etc. These hobbies, if you have some hobbies, you can relieve your stress. आपल्याला जर कुठली हॉबी असेल आणि आपण जर आपलं मन त्याच्यामध्ये गुंतवलं तर आपला स्ट्रेस कमी होऊ शकतो. सो दीज हॉबीज हेल्प अस टू प्रॉपरली युटिलाइज द फ्री आवर्स बाय diverting the energy and mind towards the positive thinking. Negative thoughts are automatically neutralized. Most of the times psychiatrists suggested the hobby of plantation. Psychiatrist जे असतात ना ते प्लांटेशन करायला सांगतात. म्हणजे आपलं एक अटॅचमेंट होतं त्या प्लांटसोबत आणि आपल्यामध्ये चांगले इमोशन्स डेव्हलप होतात. सो प्लांटेशन and to take care of that plant is a good thing to manage your stress. So one more question is there, why do you wait for periods of music, PT, drawing in the classroom? Because we relieve our stress of tough subjects, है ना. मध्ये हे पिरियड पण असतात आपल्याला, कधी PTचा असतो, कधी म्युझिक, कधी ड्रॉइंग. तर आपला अभ्यासाचा भार कमी करण्यासाठी हे पिरियड. आणि ह्या गोष्टी अशा आहेत, ड्रॉइंग, म्युझिक, एव्हरीवन लव्स दिस सब्जेक्ट, है ना. सो most of the times we wait for these periods. Learning and listening the music, singing keeps us happy and drives away the stress. So music has the power of changing the mindset. Importance of outdoor games is unparalleled. Outdoor games तुम्ही खेळा, तुम्ही ऑटोमॅटिक यू विल बी फ्री फ्रॉम युअर स्ट्रेस. एनर्जी मिळते आपल्याला त्यातनं. देर आर व्हेरियस बेनिफिट्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स लाईक इट कॉजेस फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, इम्प्रूव्ज डिसिप्लिन, इंट्रॅक्शन अँड टेंडन्सी ऑफ युनिटी, लोनलीनेस इज ड्रिव्हन अवे अँड पर्सन बिकम्स मोर सोशल. सो we must play on ground. Regular exercising, massaging, visiting the spa to help to relieve the stress. याशिवाय आपण exercise, yoga is not limited for asanas and pranayam, but it includes the discipline, balanced and good food and meditation also. So yoga is the good remedy on mental stress. Deep breathing, yogic sleep, yogasans, etc. are good for health. Meditation helps to improve the ability of concentration. It imparts positivity in our temperament. meditation helps the student to improve concentration on their studies. मेडिटेशन तर सगळीकडेच हेल्पफुल आहे लाईफमध्ये. मेडिटेशन इज व्हेरी 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 इम्पॉर्टंट. इट इज हेल्पफुल नॉट ओनली इन स्टडीज बट इट इज हेल्पफुल टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट अवर माइंड ऑल्सो. So deliberate inculcation of characters like time management, planning of our own duties and decision power is not but cultivating the social strong and ideal personality. So inculcate the good habits. It will be helpful for our stress management. We have all the ways to manage our stress. However, if those are not successful due to certain reason, it leads to some more serious problems like depression and frustration. जर योग्य वेळी आपला स्ट्रेस मॅनेज नाही झाला, कमी नाही झाला, तर इट विल डेव्हलप डिप्रेशन अँड फ्रस्ट्रेशन. So medical advice, counseling and psychotherapy are available for such persons. Similarly, many NGOs also provide helping hands. So these helping hands help the people to release their stress. So let's see more about these helping hands. That means about NGOs and private helping organizations.